Let's take a look at this problem, and as I go through it, I'll write down the information that's given. Okay, survey found 23% of Americans believe they have seen a UFO. Again, when they give you the percent, they're giving you P, but you want to put it in decimal form. So 0.23. For a sample of 10 people, that means N is 10. Find each probability. Find the probability that exactly 3 people believe he or she has seen a UFO. So X equals 3 is what that's saying. Now, our problems fit one of these forms. Everyone in this assignment, I believe, is X equals. So if you have in this form, whatever follows your X equals is your A. So in this problem, A is equal to 3. And we're going to plug it in over here. So equals binom.dist, and then A, which is 3, and then N, 10, P, which is 0.23, comma, and then false. Change it to percent, round to one decimal place, that'd be 23.4%.